So Waymo Maps just got a major upgrade with 5 incredible AI features. The 3D realism of the Waymo World Model, the unified intelligence of the Waymo Foundation Model, promptable simulation control, HD map generation with HDMapGen, and the next generation Waymo Driver sensor suite. Each of these is changing how robotaxis learn, how they handle rare situations, and how Waymo scales to new cities. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in to see what these features are all about. Let's start with the first feature, the Waymo World Model. Imagine being able to step into a driving scene in a stunningly realistic 3D simulation as though you're actually there. That's what the World Model is built for. You can recreate lanes, intersections, traffic, and the full environment. And the important part is it can generate sensor-style outputs like camera views and Lidar depth. So it's not just a visual demo, it's a training world. And because it's generative, it can create rare situations the fleet doesn't see often, like extreme weather, unusual obstacles, or weird traffic behavior. So Waymo can test them safely in simulation instead of waiting for them in real life. Next, we have the Waymo Foundation Model. This feature goes beyond a single driving algorithm because Waymo describes a system with a driver, a simulator, and a critic working together, powered by the same underlying AI. The driver learns the simulator, stress tests it, and the critic finds weaknesses and improves training. And this matters because it builds a richer representation of the driving world, including objects, semantics, and road graph structure, so the map becomes an AI understanding, not just saved roads. Moving on to the third feature, Promptable simulation control. This is where AI makes training feel editable because engineers can change driving actions, adjust the scene layout like roads, signals, and other vehicles, and even use simple language prompts to switch conditions like day versus night or clear weather versus rain and snow. And the advantage is speed. One real event can turn into many what-if variations, so testing becomes faster and more targeted. Now, the fourth exciting addition is HD map generation. With HDMapGen, because self-driving needs high-definition maps with precise lane geometry and traffic rule detail, but collecting every possible road layout is slow. So HDMapGen uses AI to generate diverse HD map structures, which helps Waymo test more intersection types, more lane patterns, and more unusual layouts before expanding to new cities. And finally, we have the next generation, Waymo Driver Sensor Suite. Because the map is only as smart as perception, Waymo's newer driver setup uses a multimodal sensor stack with cameras, radar, and Lidar working together so the system can handle tougher conditions like low visibility and harsh weather. Better sensing means better understanding, and that feeds back into better world models, better simulation, and safer decisions. So there you have it, 5 AI upgrades that show Waymo Maps is AI now, not because of a consumer navigation feature, but because Waymo's idea of a map is becoming an AI-driven world model that can generate realistic 3D simulation, create rare scenarios with prompts, generate new HD maps for testing, and sense the real world with a stronger multi-sensor stack. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my future uploads.